I'm going to show you one of the best and easiest synchronous communication tools out there. Now, you're going to think this is way too simple, but I can tell you from experience, just using a simple chat function online works well. It's in real time, so it's a synchronous tool. And I would argue chatting online fosters more active learning from students because they're actually typing stuff out, plus the fact that it's the way they communicate on a regular basis. So this is just like texting or posting on Instagram or communicating on Twitter, but it's in real time. And I know that a lot of people think we need to have the live video streaming and the live video interaction, and that's fine, but it's a lot more complicated in that sometimes students can't always configure their phone or their pad or their given browser to do a smooth video chat. So this one, which is just audio, or is actually not audio, it's just real-time communication via texting in Canvas, works extremely well, and I've used it many times. So here's how you're going to use chat. And again, it's a simple synchronous tool. It's actually a great thing to try the first or second week of class to get to know people. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to look on the left-hand side of our course navigation, and we don't see anything there that says chat. So we're going to click on Settings. And after we get to Settings, we're going to click on Navigation. And now that we're on Navigation, we're going to go down to Chat. We're going to find it in this deactivated list. And we're going to drag it up into active. You can drop it anywhere you want. And then we're going to click on Save. So it's that easy to install chat in your class. So now if we're on our home page, we see that we have a chat button. Now the next thing you want to do to have a chat session, and I'm talking about a live chat session, although it doesn't have to be synchronous. Chat can, it starts a discourse and a log of the narrative that I'll show you in a little bit. So it doesn't have to be synchronous, but it's a nice synchronous activity. You could tell everyone to log on to chat like at 10 o'clock a.m. or 11 o'clock or whatever time their class would normally meet. And you can ask people questions and have them chime in, if you will. And it works especially well with a small group of students. So what you're going to do is you can invite people to chat at a certain time. You could send an announcement out if you want to, or you can make the chat be an ongoing thing. So we're going to click on chat. So once we do that, if you have 10 students and all of them are online in the chat room, you'll see it right here. It would say 10 students online. So you can go ahead and type your message. If I can type, who has questions about the reading? And you just send that. And again, this is just like texting. So the next student will log in, they can answer your question, and you can see a whole stream of these. And the nice thing about it is that these posts last forever. So you can go back, if you want to grade this activity, you could go back and see who logged in and what they had to say. Again, I know it sounds too simple, but it is live. It's super easy. It's synchronous. And because students are used to keying things in, I think it works better than video chatting, and I think sometimes it works better than a discussion board. So that's what chat's all about. Use it. It's easy. It's simple to set up, and you can use it from anywhere.